Okay, good evening, everyone. I'm going to play some solo tabla for a few minutes. Uh, so tabla is just like sitar. It was invented sometime 600 years ago in India. And there are a lot of interesting stories how it was, and I'll save it for some other event. This is a very unique drum, unlike of any other drums in Western or Indian music. And the uniqueness is because of the harmonic overtones it can produce when you hit it. And interestingly, I came to know about this very recently, that the Nobel laureate from India, the great physicist C.V. Raman, who actually is better known for his Raman spectroscopy, he has published a paper in Nature, which is one of the topmost journals in science, on tabla. And he was the first one to actually document that you can hear 5 different kinds of overtones when you hit tabla. So what is special about tabla, which is not present in other drums, for example? So this is just completely 100% man-made. There is no machine involved in this. This is a wooden drum, and there are 3 layers of membranes. So this is the first layer on the edge, then the complete layer, the entire skin, and there is this middle black circle. So what do you think is really the key to produce overtones? Any guesses? Is it this membrane here, this half membrane, or the entire membrane, or just strings which pull it? These strings here to adjust the tension and to adjust the pitch, or this black circle which kind of appears a decorative thing of both. What's your guess? Is it a black circle? How many think it's a black circle? Just one? That's good. How many of you think it's the entire skin closed on top of the tabla? 3, 4, good. How many think it's the skin or the membrane at the edge which is producing the overtones? Most of them. So I think the first one is right, the black spot here. And this is a tightly guarded secret from the tabla makers, who actually do not give away the composition. It's not published anywhere yet, and it just passed on from generation to generation. And it's some kind of glue, and the proportion of this black circle on top of the skin, the top skin here, the composition as well as the thickness of the black portion is extremely crucial to produce those overtones of the original pitch, or above the original pitch. And I mean, one just wonders that even without completing the high school studies, most of these tabla makers, they're excellent physicists. That just by hearing, they just know how much weight should be given, or how much should be the diameter of the black circle. So without further talking, I think I'll just continue. How much time do I have on this? So I'll probably continue in the same tal rupak, which is an asymmetric cycle of 7 beats, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the second, like the last 3 or 4 minutes, I'll play teen tal, which is the most common tal, and which blends really well with our day-to-day activities, like we breathe, walk. It's symmetrical, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. But the first one is rupak. So I always compare it with like driving in Charlottesville, which is stop, go, construction, somebody walking. And the teen tal is like freeway driving, which just goes rhythmically, very nice. Both are equally enjoyable if you like driving. So, okay, the first one, tal rupak, 7 beats. let's go to highway driving. Jay.
Madhavi and Reddy family and library for giving the opportunity. And I hope most of you will come back for the next Saturday's program.
I really enjoyed playing here, so thanks a lot again.